Are you struggling to manifest your dream life? Maybe your frequency is the missing key. Back in the 19th century, Nikola Tesla famously said, "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." It's easy to forget, but every thought and every emotion I have vibrates at a certain frequency. These frequencies shape what shows up in my life. What I focus on, what I feel, those become the building blocks of my reality. The universe is really just a giant electromagnetic field, and I'm always attracting what matches my personal energy. I am literally connected to the cosmos through frequency. My energy field is like a magnet. When my heart and mind work together, my vibration rises. I feel lighter, clearer, more open. But when there's resistance, when my thoughts and feelings are at odds, my frequency drops. It's like trying to tune into your favorite song but only hearing static. Now, here's where things get magical. There are 5 sacred frequencies that can help speed up your manifestations. Let's start with 417 Hz. This one is all about clearing out negative energy and making space for positivity to flow in. Think of it as a gentle reset button for your spirit. Next, 639 Hz. This frequency is the heart opener. It heals relationships, brings compassion, and wraps you in the energy of love. Then there's 741 Hz. This one's for clarity. It heightens your intuition and helps you solve problems with fresh eyes. Perfect for those moments when you feel stuck. 852 Hz is all about awakening your inner guidance. When I tap into this, I feel more connected to my intuition and inner wisdom, those quiet nudges that always seem to know what's right for me. And finally, 963 Hz. This is the frequency of divine awakening. It lifts me up to a state of spiritual enlightenment, where I can truly sense my connection to everything around me. So how do you use these frequencies? It's actually simple. I like to play them quietly during meditation, when I'm practicing gratitude, or while I visualize my dreams already coming true. The trick isn't to focus hard on what I want, but to feel as though it's already mine. Just remember, the universe doesn't give me what I want. It gives me what I am. If I want to attract my dream life, I choose to raise my frequency. I meditate, I visualize, I let myself feel the joy and gratitude of already receiving. And every time I do, the universe starts to reflect back exactly who I've become. So today, let your energy lead the way.